JT on the track again.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Randa G here with another video. So I will be giving y'all another vlog today. Currently walking Chandler per usual. Today will probably be like a video of resets. Really need to clean the apartment, my glam room slash office. It looks a hot mess. I need to donate some clothes and yeah, really just clean up. I did get some Amazon packages that I am going to open up with you all. But really, this is just a reset, refresh, reorganize. So I did get my nails done this morning. They look nice and fresh. I do have a conference call this morning also. So I'm gonna, after I walk Chandler, I'm gonna run and go do that. And then we will get into all of the wonderful things we need to do. Deal? Deal. I'm not gonna lie, they drilled me, so I didn't have anything else to say. I was done. Definitely, if they didn't touch on something that you really want to share with them, just to show them a piece of who you are that y'all didn't get to in their interview, I definitely would share that with them. Okay, y'all, just finished up with my conference call, so now I'm about to take my clothes to get them donated. This is what we are looking like. So as you can see, we have 4 bags that we need to donate. These are just clothes that I've either like don't wear anymore, grown out of. A lot of this is from like college days and all that good stuff. Hey Chandler. So yeah, just about to take these right now to get donated and gonna bring y'all along. Okay, y'all, just donated clothes. I am about to pick up Chandler so we can go over to my sweet man's family. We're gonna spend some time with them today. I'm probably gonna do more of a reset tomorrow, just because I'm not gonna lie, when I link up with them, they take my whole day, just because I want to spend time with them. I'd rather spend time with them than clean, duh. But yeah, so we'll probably get more into the cleaning and organizing tomorrow. Yeah, just gonna spend some time with them, little family time. I don't know, my love language is definitely quality time. That's probably because I was the only child and it was just me and my parents, you know? So, you know, that's just what we did. Even if we just sat in silence, like that was us bonding. That was our time together. But just because, you know, they worked so hard, I was in school. So yeah, I would definitely say that quality time is my love language. So whenever I can spend time with people who I care about, I'm satisfied. That's all I need. So gonna get Chandler and then we're gonna head that way.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option.
Say hey, Mimi.
483. 483.
I ain't got nothing to say to y'all. I'm eating.
Don't don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Fame's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing baby, saying baby, love it shit. You know I'm crazy. So go ahead and put a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Get to taking that off of me. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. 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 I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna wrap up this video with doing a little Amazon haul. So I have 3 packages from Amazon right now. I am going to start with the smallest one. I know I wanted to do like a lot of organizing in my laundry room and my bathroom, so that's what I figured this stuff is. So this is the, okay. So I got me like a acrylic box where I am going to put my dry sheets in. So like I said, this is gonna be a lot of like bathroom, laundry room organizing. But this is so cute. And then I already have like the little labels where I can put dry sheets. Super cute. This box is kind of heavy. I'll just go ahead and do this one since it's in front of me. So this already smells like OxyClean. Yeah. So I got me some Gain dryer sheets. Oh, sheesh. Got me some OxyClean. In these little boxes. Yeah. So this is actually for the bathroom. So this is just like a little circular tin that you just put, and then it has these that you put in the middle of it where I can put all my skincare on. So that was the goal for that. Oh, I think my camera's gonna die. It's blinking at me. hopefully we can get through these last two before it cuts off. I mean, we have been recording all day. I can see why it died. Let's see. Okay, this is another acrylic clear box, but this is actually for my bathroom. So it actually has like the Kleenex opener, and I am going to be putting these paper towels that we have. Oh, this is just another jar for my laundry room. I'm actually going to put fabric softener in this one. Last box, and you haven't turned off on me, so that's a great sign. Let's hurry up and get through this. Yeah, so this is just the Smell Good beads for the laundry room. I got Gain. I also got me, so you know those little like wrist towels that people have been using just for like when you're washing your face, water doesn't drip down. Bought these. I bought me exfoliating gloves and exfoliating net that I've been seeing on TikTok. Last box. This is also for the bathroom. This is just cute little clear little jars that I can put in my bathroom. I normally put like Q-tips, my little plastic floss, and also my cotton rounds. So that's what I got these for. And that's it. And the camera didn't die on me. So I'm gonna end it right there. I did not get to my glam room. Honestly, I felt overwhelmed. After cleaning my room, the living room, and the kitchen, I just couldn't take it there. But I'm glad I got to do this Amazon haul with y'all. I'm glad y'all got to reset with me. So hit like and subscribe, turn on your notifications, and I'll see you next video. Bye.